PDF Expert lets you easily make a blank PDF or create a PDF from other files. Here's how. Tap the blue plus button. Select Create PDF to make a blank PDF file. On your iPad, you can pick the paper type and color of your file. Your new PDF is ready. Now you can type on it, add images, and insert new pages. You can also create PDFs from Word documents, spreadsheets, or images. Simply tap the plus button and pick Create PDF from File. Select the desired file, and PDF Expert quickly turns it into a PDF. Now you can edit this new PDF file in the way you wish. Your PDFs created!